Beautiful hair, right? I know. Well, if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I will tell you how you can make some extra cash from the company where I got this beautiful high quality hair from. Stay tuned. Keep nice hair. So KN Hair sells 100% virgin human Remy hair. So in this package right here, I'm about to do an unboxing of this nice little package. Let's see what's inside. Looks like I got this nice little Christmas ornament here. Shows a free gift right there, which is really nice. I feel like I'm going in the Barney bag right now. So the next little goodie inside is Mink 3D hair eyelashes. Wow, they're pretty nice. So that's another free gift. So that's free gift number 2. Now let's get down to the nitty gritty, to the actual human Remy hair. We got this nice little bundle right here. And it's such good hair. It's so soft. It's amazing how soft this hair is. Okay, see there. Their tag right there. Keep nice hair, keep nice hair. We have another 16 bundle right there. I have to take it out of the package so you can see what it really looks like. So now let's check out bundle number 3. So bundle number 3 is, as you can see, an 18. It's a nice little bundle right there. Keep nice hair on the back. Quality of it is really good, and this is my very first sew-in, and the hair comes from KN Hair, Keep Nice Hair. So this is exciting for me. All right, so this is the closure, and it is a free part closure. It's loose wave from KN Hair again, of course. It is a 16. So let's open this hair up and check it out to see the quality of KN Hair. Yeah, this is such a nice bag. I love the feel of it. It's a gift in and of itself, actually. I'm gonna open up the 16 bundle right here. So let's open this. It's so soft. It's so soft. It's amazing how soft it is. Wow, wow. You can see that is real hair. And I must say that I'm not an expert at hair or anything because I wear my hair natural, but I'm not an expert at wigs or weaves or sew-ins or anything like that. So this is my first sew-in, but when I touch this hair, the quality of it is so good and it's so soft, like it is real hair. I recently wore a wig, of course a synthetic wig, so the hair definitely does not compare to this beautiful, soft, 100% virgin Remy hair. Like, wow. Look at that quality. Wow. That's so soft. That is so soft. So each bundle contains this little tag right here. When you turn it around, it has the instructions, the hair care tips to make sure that I take care of this hair, because once again, it's my very first sew-in, so I will want to know how to take care of it. So I'm thankful that they included hair care tips on each bundle. Nice, silky, bounce back hair. It bounces back. That's how good it is. Beautiful. Beautiful. A hair bundle from KN Hair. That is Keep Nice Hair. Nice little bundle. This is literally some of the softest hair I have ever felt. It's really good. I wonder how long it'll last me. I'm sure at least 6 months. It could be more actually. So that is nice hair right there from KN Hair. So as you can see, my hair from knhair.com turned out really, really nice. I freaking love this hair so much. It's amazing how much I love this hair. It really is human hair. And this is my very first sew-in, so I'm so thrilled to have the highest quality human hair. It's a million times better than a synthetic wig. I've worn a wig before, but this human hair, this beautiful high-grade human hair is just perfect. It is the best. KN Hair, hook me up. So bouncy. This is 100% human hair. It is so, so beautiful, silky, and soft. It's very, very high quality. Now, as you can see, KN Hair or Keep Nice Hair has some of the highest quality hair on the market. You cannot go wrong by ordering from them. And you know what? They have some nice deals going for those of you who use social media on the regular, which is pretty much everyone. So right now, if you use Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, you can make money with KN Hair. Now here's how. First, you create a video containing the link to knhair.com and their logo or their name. Then you blast that video on all 3 of those social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Now through Facebook and Instagram, you receive $5 each just for participating. Through YouTube, you receive $10 for every video that you post. The amount you make only goes up from there. So with Facebook, shares equal money. So when you get 100 shares of your video, you'll receive $20 cash. 400 shares, $50 cash. 800 shares, $80 cash. And with 1,000 shares of your video, you'll receive $100 cash from KN Hair. A simple way to make some extra cash, right? Through Instagram, likes equal money. So if you get 300 likes, you receive $10. 600 likes, $20. 800 likes, $30. 100 likes gets $50 cash. And when you get 2,000 likes, you receive $100 cash from KN Hair. But wait, there's more. Now through YouTube, views equal money. Now when you get 300 views, you'll receive $20 cash. 600 views, $50 cash. 900 views, $80 cash. And when you receive 1,200 views, you get $100 in cash from KN Hair. So go to knhair.com right now, check out their wonderful selection of high quality hair, pick out what suits you best, and start earning money by referring others to their beautiful products. You won't be disappointed. knhair.com, keep nice hair.